Following is a video for 1681 Nightingale. I'll try to make it pretty quick for you. Here's one side with the RV gate. I'll give you a view over the gate. There's your electric panel and all kinds of wiring, gas. There's over the RV gates. As you can see, it's not paved all the way. The garage does have a man door there, and there's a shed, and I believe that conveys. I think she was just talking about that. So you do have extra parking here in the driveway. Quite a bit of landscaping in front here. Come to the other side. What you'll see here is a little, come in through a security gate. Then they have a little patio area in the front. Your front covered porch area. Now this is the front door to the house, and this is the door to the casita. So let's take a look at the casita first. They just have basic office in here. You can see it's tiled, but what you see is what you get. It's got overhead lighting and ceiling fan, but it's very cool in here. They've got the AC set up quite nice. I like the gym idea. It has its own thermostat, of course. Okay. Come in the front. Go upstairs first. It is being held open, so it's very busy. Very busy. Okay, here's a little entryway to the top. Looks like some built-ins. Here to one room. Standard closet. So yeah, this is nice. This room has its own full bathroom. Built-ins. Yeah, I would assume this is the master. It's a very big room. It's got the plantation shutters. And a thermostat and alarm system. Now the bedroom's carpeted and then the bathroom's tiled. With round tile, you have separate sinks. This bathroom's really big. Separate walk-in closets. One here, and they both have carpet. Nice built-ins too. Okay, and then this way, you got the shower. That's a big walk-in shower too. You've got the separate toilet area. This must be a linen type closet. Okay. It's 2 bedrooms.
How many bathrooms total?
3.5.
Okay.
So there's 3 full ones up here and 1.5 downstairs.
Okay. And here's another bathroom, 3/4 bathroom, walk-in closet, and the bedroom. Not much here, just your standard, but it does have the plantation shutters. And then here's another bedroom, closet. Wow. And another bathroom. So you have 4 bedrooms upstairs. Each one has its own bathroom. 3 of them had bathtubs and showers. One had just the shower. Now we go downstairs. Well, it's gonna be a long video because it's a big house. You got the tile, and then it's like is this a tile flooring here as well?
That's real wood.
That's real wood floor. Yes. Here's the half bath. Nice. And 3-car garage. It's a 3-car tandem. Has a sink, water softener, storage. And she said the storage conveys. It's got above storage too. For ladders. More storage cabinets here. And a charger, I'm sure that doesn't convey. And there's the door that goes outside to the backyard. We saw, and it's got a gas water heater. And I think I already told you about the water softener. Okay. And the laundry room. And I don't remember if gas was important to you. But I don't see a gas line down there. Doesn't mean it's not. A little bar area here on the hallways. It's actually got a little sink and a wine fridge, wine rack. Then you come into the kitchen. Wow. And it opens up to the living space with the wood floors again. Little doggy door. For this island, it's pretty big and it has storage underneath. And the double oven. Storage underneath the island on this side as well, but there is no. Oh yeah, you can see the bar stools right here. Now the outside. Personally, my favorite part. Yeah, pool's pretty deep. I think you're calling it a good 7. Size pool. Gazebo type area, grass with a putting green, and the pool equipment here. There's no heater on it, but doesn't mean you couldn't have one. And nothing behind you. Always a good thing. This is turf. Like Astro turf. And that should do it for this one.